didn't get, you gonna be getting after that. Wow, man, and your foot pedals are right there at the back of the engine. Wow, that's something there. Wow. And that thing got some kilograms. Oh yeah. That big supercharger. Ain't no way. I couldn't even go down the track fast. Just coasting. Yeah, that rear sitting right between your legs. Right in your crop. Yes, sir. Jeez. It just looks like it takes a bit to get down there. Yeah. You drive? Yes, sir. Just like it takes some work to get down there. Wait, what you got protecting you in here?
You look at this, I mean, that big metal thing across your face. It'll be all right. That's all. It ain't gonna hurt.
You have to have little balls. I thought that was. Wow. What you got? A big shoe hole when you get in the thing, breeze it up, slip down in there.
You got to build the chassis to build it for you. I used to sit on a pillow. In fact, I'd still in there.
Yeah, cushion, yeah.
I couldn't say it.
Yep. That one ride down here.
You know what this means here? You know what this means?